Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabsnet.com. Wanted to show you an interesting pure quant finance project. This one's done in Python. I'll be banging out some more advanced projects, demos in C++, as we have now moving into advanced AI with Anthropic. So this is just a simple, well, it's not simple, but just an example of pure quant. Check it out. So I've got here, and you can always find these on my new quant, well, not new, but quant analytics free trial projects like this. We've got available. So if you want in, just go to the video description and get yourself a 7-day trial on this kind of stuff. You do everything, quant analytics, you name it, trading analytics, plus this kind of code I'm about to show you. So first of all, let me just show you, we've got two files here, typical presentation. In this case, we got a README file for nonlinear correlation analysis. Okay, let me, all right, so what we're doing here is we've got here let's see here. All right, so right here, calculating correlation coefficient rho for nonlinear relationship. So we're going to try to build a model out of this type of relationship. So if we have multiple methods for calculating correlation coefficients, including approaches for non-linear relationships. So this can be built out using advanced quant techniques, obviously math and blah, blah, blah. Here we have some analysis, Pearson's R for for linear relationship, Spearman's rank-based for monotonic relationships, Kendall's rank-based measure, distance correlation for general dependencies, mutual information theoretical approach, non-parametric, per-fitting for estimating functional relationship. And as we said, this is all based around non-linear associations. So in this, we are combining exponential model fitting, logistic model fitting, power law fitting with a visualization. We can generate scatter plot, which is fitted curves for visual comparison, comprehensive reporting. And I'll show you that in a minute. So all correlated coefficients are best fit for non-relational. Replace synthetic example data with real data. This is synthetic, as I said. Calculate correlation measures. Attempt to fit common nonlinear models. General visualization. Generate the visualization. Report the results. Interpret and guide. Okay, so it's pretty sophisticated. Let me show it to you. Okay, so using non-linear, boom, 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 running a simple script, random data, and okay, here we go. There we go. So there's our scatter plot. It's all data. So we have here the data and with exponential with a coefficient and a model. Logistics, again, a model. Power law, again, a model. Just see, I think I close this out. And here's your model right here. So these are the fitted models. Okay. That's generated exponential model, logistic model, power law, and along with your parameters I talked about in that README doc. Again, if you want to know more about this, go to my Learn tab and get on our email list, or you can get yourself a 7-day trial for this sort of stuff. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you out. You get something out of it. Other than that, have a good day.